Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Miss Ifra, computer teacher. Hope you all are in good health. In our last lecture, we will discuss and we read about the second chapter of computer security. In this chapter, we read that why we should secure or protect our computer from any wrong person and any unknown person. In this chapter, we also discuss some ways from which we can protect our computers like antivirus software, firewall, backup data software, and also some password and encryption. In my today's lecture, I tell you that in how can we use those ways in our computer system. Like antivirus software, we can download antivirus software from internet. Now, how can we apply password protection in our computer? So, let's start. For applying password protection in our computer, first we go to the start menu. Start menu is just there. By clicking this, you can open your start menu, but in my computer system, start menu is in my computer system I need control panel so many times, so that is also in my desktop. So if the control panel is not in your desktop, so you don't get panic, just open the start menu from the left bottom and you can a menu appear and you can easily get the control panel. So when the control panel options appear, you just click the control panel like this. By double clicking this menu and this screen appears. In these screens, some options are appear. Basically, control panels control all the activities of your computer. So there is system security, network, internet, hardware and sound, program, user account and family safety, appearance and personalization, clock, language, region and ease access. But today we have to deal with the account and safety, mean we have to protect our system, so we use this user account and family safety. Just below this there is another option, change account type, so we need this. We have to click this. By clicking this, such a window appear. In this window we need to change the password. In this window there are some options, mean there in this window the accounts appear, mean how many accounts in your computer system. So I use this account system. So by clicking on this account, this window will appear. In this window there is some options like change the account name, change the password, set up family safety, change account type, manage your account. So we have to set the password. So this is in my computer system, I already set a password, so there is an option of change the password. So if there is you have the option of set the password. So by clicking this, that this window will appear. Now I don't want to change, but when you want to set a password, you just have to enter new password. Like I tell you, my password is this and now new password, and I am going to dial new password, but you have to set the first password you want to set, whether it is the name or anything which is easily rememberable for you. Confirm password, this option will also appears. Be careful in this option, because if you don't set the accurate password in your new password and confirm new password, then it will be okay. Otherwise, if there is any mistake, computer will send you a message that your password is incorrect, your confirmed password is incorrect. So you have to write that confirm password very carefully. After that, type a hint. Sometime you forgot the password, so should be a hint that if you forgot the password, that hint will remind you what is your password, so you also have to type the hint. My hint is this, but you can set your hint according to your confirm password, your password. Now go to your change password, so your password will be changed. After, when you set the password, there is option appear in your password protected, mean now your computer system is password protected. After this, let's check our password. We should restart the system for checking whether our password is right or not. Look, a password option is appear, so by typing the password we can open your computer. Look, welcome. It means you are successful to set your password. Hope you understand all these steps to set the password. Try it in your computer system and make sure you set the password which is easy to remember you. Okay, Allah Hafiz, stay blessed.